Hello boys and girls, welcome to tonight's flip video. It's going to be all about a different form of estimation, kind of. So let's get started. Alright, so occasionally you're going to see a problem that looks like this. I'll just say which product is between, and I'll give you two values. What I like to do here is I just like to solve all the different problems because that helps me to really concretely answer it. It's going to take a little bit of work, but we don't make excuses, we make changes. So the first step I would do is to solve A, which will give me 1,809. You could do that, you could have done a lattice or traditional, either way. Then I would solve B, and C, and D. I'll just solve all of those at one point. Alright, so I've now solved all problems, and now I need to see which product is between 800 and 900. Well, 1,809 is way over, so that one's incorrect. 868, that is correct. That's between 800 and 900, but I still need to check to make sure none of the other ones fit. 984 is bigger than 900, so that's incorrect. And 178 is much less than 800. So that leaves me with just this one. So B is the correct answer because it's between 800 and 900. To move on to another example, sometimes it'll have it as a number line. Doesn't matter that it's a number line, it's this exact same thing as the last one. It says which product is between the 2 points on the number line. So we see your 2 points are 3,000 and 4,500. This is going to be the one where you're going to solve it all, and then I'll walk through this with you. This is not your bring back to school problem. So you're going to solve A, B, C, and D, see which one is between 3,000 and 4,500, and that's your answer. Alright, so hopefully you've solved those. I'll walk through the first two examples just to model multiplication one more time for you. So 638 times 45. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 4 will give you 19. 5 times 6 is 30 plus 1 would be 31. Move over, add a 0. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 3 would be 15. 6 times 4 is 24, plus 5 would be 25. Add that up. So we've got 28,710 there. I'll do B as a lattice box, so 2, 2, 2, 18, put in my box, diagonals, 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 so 1 times 2, and that's going to be the same across the whole top, and then 8 times 2, same across the whole bottom. Now I add my diagonals. I've got a 6 there, a 9 there, a 9 there, and a 3. So that gives me 3,996. Then I'm just going to plug in the answers for C and D. Alright, so once I've solved C and D, now I need to go back and see which ones are in between 3,000 and 4,500. So 28,000 is way over, so I know that's incorrect. 3,996 is in between that range. It would be just about here on the number line. So let's check the other ones. 4,914, that's going to be somewhere all the way over here. So that's too big. And 7,007 is going to be way down the line. So that's way too big as well. So that leaves me with just that one. The number line might look confusing, but really all you do is you just need to multiply 4 different equations and then see which one fits in between the number line. Which brings us to our final problem. It says which 2 products would be in the shaded section on the number line. So, same concept. I've got a number line here. The blue is the shaded section. Which of those, now this time you're going to be looking for 2 answers. So you'll either have A and B, A and C, A and D, B and C, C and D, one of those combinations. So you'll need to solve all 4, figure out which one would fall in between 1,100 and 1,400, and bring that back to school. I'll look forward to seeing you in the morning.